friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Informative Chika, and yes, another information, another video ang ating itotopic sa vlog na ito. So, sino ang mahihilig po sa diamonds? Diba? Pag sinabi nilang diamonds is a girl best friends, sabi sa pelikula ni Marilyn Monroe. At ang sabi po nila, diamond is forever. So, ito po ang ating topic sa oras na to. So, let's talk about diamonds. So, before that, ito, I have with me my 3 pieces of diamond. So, this is my, if you can see, this is my 3 lovely pieces of my diamond. So, I have with me the Corrado. They are Corrado pieces in white gold. Okay, let's para makita natin. Yan po siya. Okay, in white settings, Italian settings, yung malaki, and then may yellow diamond. No, it's not a yellow diamond. In yellow 18 karat gold na nakalagay po sila yung diamond, and sa 18 karat Italian gold naman yung isang maliit. So they are diamonds darlings. Sino ang mahihilig sa diamonds, guys? So this is my collection sa diamonds. So let's talk about diamonds. Okay? Ang sabi po dito, diamonds is a mineral composed of pure carbon. Yeah, it's a pure carbon. It is the hardest natural occurring substance known. It is also the most popular gemstone. So, usually sa mga Hollywoods yun. Yan, sa mga mayayaman, kumbaga. Yan ang kanilang collection, diamonds. Because of their extreme hardness, diamonds have a number of important industrial applications. So, mahal na gemstone at saka matigas na gemstone sa lahat. The hardness, brilliance, and sparkle of diamonds make them unsurpassed as gems. In the symbolisms of gemstone, the diamond represents steadfast love, and it is a birthstone for April. So, sa mga pinanganak po sa April, diamond is their birthstone. Diamond stones are weighed in carats. 1 carat is equivalent to 200 milligrams. And in points, 1 point is equivalent to 0.01 carat. In addition to gem quality stones, several varieties in industrial diamonds occur. And synthetic diamonds have been produced on the commercial scale since 1960. Diamonds are found in 3 types of deposits: alluvial gravels, glacial tills, and kimberlite pipes. The kimberlite pipes, such as those at Kimberley, South Africa, from the intrusions of magma into the Earth's crust, can deliver diamonds and other rocks and minerals from the mantle. So doon po sila nagmumula. Kapag may volcan eruption, doon po sila itinataas or pinupush ng volcan ang mga diamonds. The pipes themselves are often less than 100 million years old. So, ganun po mag-create ng diamonds. Kaya mahal. Huwag kayong maniwala na ang diamonds ay no value. Walang value. Ito po ay years years, 100 years para ma-form lang ang diamond. So, kung sinasabi na lang diamonds are not valuable stuff or else, no. Nagkakamali po sila. The diamonds they carry were formed 1 to 3.3 billion years ago to depths of more than about 75 miles. See? Diamonds found in alluvial and glacial gravels must have been released by fluvial or glacial erosions of the kimberlite matrix and then deposited in rivers or in glacial field. So ganyan po ang kaimportante ng diamonds. Diamonds vary from colorless to black and they may be transparent, translucent, or opaque. Most diamonds used in gems are transparent and colorless or near so. Colorless or pale diamond stones are most valued, but these are rare. Most gem diamonds are pink with yellow. A fancy diamond has distinct body color. Red, blue, and green are rarest, and orange, violet, yellow, and yellowish green more common. Most industrial diamonds are gray or brown and are translucent or opaque. But better quality industrial stones grade imperceptibly into poor quality gems. The color of the diamonds may be changed by exposure to intense radiations as released in the nuclear reactor or by particular accelerator or by heat treatment. A very high refractive powers gives the diamonds its extraordinary brilliance. A properly cut diamond will return a greater amount of light to the eye of the observer than will a gem of lesser refractive power and will thus appear more brilliant. The high dispersions gives diamond their fire, which is caused by the separation of white light into the color of the spectrum as it passes through the stone. The scratch hardness of diamond is assigned the value of 10 on the whole scale of hardness. Corrodium, the mineral next to diamond in hardness, it's rated as 9. Actually, diamond is very much harder than corrodium. If the whole scales were linear, diamond's value would be about 42. The hardness of diamond varies significantly in different directions, causing cutting and polishing of some pieces to be easier than others. In the atomic constructions of diamonds as determined by X-ray diffraction techniques, each carbon atom is linked to 4 equidistant neighbors throughout the crystal. This close-knit, thin, strongly banded crystal structure yields diamonds properties that differ greatly from those of graphite, native carbon, and other forms. So this is the information about these precious diamonds. So another topic, another information na naman ang ating na topic ngayon sa vlog na to. So kita-kita po muli tayo sa aking mga susunod pang vlogs. This is Informative Chika. Have a nice day. Ingat po lagi tayo. Bye!